Hello friends, welcome to a new video. If you're looking for an energy boost and a health ally, this juice is everything you need. The beneficial effects of each ingredient are enhanced when combined. Can you imagine something so simple yet so powerful? Discover it now and be amazed. This is Nutri-Intelligence, let's get started. For this energizing juice, we need 1 green apple, 1 carrot, 2 lemons, pepper, and turmeric, which we'll add at the end. This amount is for 1 glass. First, wash everything thoroughly, peel the ingredients, and cut them into small pieces. Did you know why this juice is so nutritious? It's because the carrot is rich in vitamin A, antioxidants like beta-carotene, which is what gives it its orange color, which helps improve vision, protects against premature aging, and strengthens the immune system. Next, we have the green apple, which contains vitamin C, antioxidants, and lots of water. It helps with digestion, regulates cholesterol levels, and has a diuretic effect. It's great for the skin. Squeeze the juice from 2 lemons. They have a high concentration of vitamin C and antioxidants, which also strengthen the immune system. Lemons help alkalize the body because, even though they're acidic, they turn alkaline once inside the body. We also use half a teaspoon of powdered turmeric. If you have fresh turmeric, that's even better. If using powdered turmeric like we do, make sure it's fresh and has a vibrant orange color. Add a pinch of pepper, and freshly ground pepper is even better. Turmeric is the star of this recipe. It contains curcumin, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. This means it reduces inflammation, protects the cardiovascular system, improves digestion, boosts the immune system, and supports brain health. The piperine in the pepper, combined with curcumin from the turmeric, enhances these anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. When reinforced with vitamin C, they help strengthen the body's defenses. Now we can use a juicer to avoid adding water, a handheld blender like I'm using, or a regular blender with a bit of water. Start processing, and in a separate container, use a strainer to separate the fiber from the juice, and it's ready to serve. This recipe is fantastic and offers a different option to combat inflammation, improve digestion, and just feel good. Personally, I like this juice. The carrot is naturally sweet, so there's no need to add any extra sweetness. It's a great way to consume turmeric. This is Nutri-Intelligence. See you in the next recipe.